Hi all, this is Dr. J at 11 coming to you at 4:35 for the market wrap. Sorry I missed you earlier, got tied up in Eastern Long Island where we had a beautiful summer day. Had a little fun that got in the way of my broadcast, but we're happy to come to you with a happy Dow Jones report and the other averages as well. It looks like we're in a very, 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 very strong bull market, which wasn't so apparent a couple of days ago. But it seems like it's more and more apparent, and I'm more and more convinced that we are going to take out the highs of January. Well, let's take a look at the video charts. Okay, this chart should look familiar. It's the chart we had yesterday. Only yesterday we barely budged over this trend line, the upper trend line. Today we have a big green candle that closed well above it, although still touched it. So what we hope to see for tomorrow to get more confirmation is another green candle that's completely detached from the trend line. If that happens, then my call, this man's opinion, is that we take out the January highs of 26,616. And that should happen, or that could happen rather quickly in this fast-moving Dow Jones Industrial Averages. So, with that said, let's take a look at a new trend line that we can now draw connecting the low of 628 to today's action. And actually, we can draw a little channel of two parallel lines that contain all the action. Let's quickly do that by turning to another chart of the Dow. As you can see, this chart is relevant from June 28th till now, where all the day's activity is between these two parallel lines, forming a beautiful ascent, a beautiful upward channel with a tremendous slope. At this rate, we'd be at 30,000 in no time if it continued upward in this particular channel. Of course, even with less of a slope, we'd eventually the highs of January. Let's see if we can find those highs. Got to go back to January, end of January. Let's try to do that. Okay, here we go. I'm having trouble getting there. There it is, 26,616, January 26. Those highs should fall, and tomorrow is very important that we get a green candle that confirms the previous chart. The previous chart shows a break of the upper trend line. We want a confirmation of that, in which case Dr. J at 11 has turned very bullish. I said all along, with a break of this trend line, we should have a stampede instead of a bull market. So this has been a beautiful bull market. It's long in the tooth, but it might have one more shot to fire before plummeting. And this shot that it fires could be a very big shot. Could be a shot where there's plenty of opportunity to make money, even in conservative stuff like the banks and the pharmaceuticals and so on. So you don't even have to be tech heavy, but probably that won't hurt either. So again, let's look at the channel. We now are in a strong upward channel. similar to the NASDAQ. So I think the Dow will now follow the S&P and NASDAQ to new all-time highs. That's my latest thinking on the Dow. And that's it for today. This is Dr. J signing off from Eastern Long Island. Sayonara, shalom, hasta mañana, ad man, a tutula, whatever. See you all tomorrow. Bye. Let me wave. Give the Dr. J at 11 wave. Otherwise, it's not official. See y'all.